This is the brand new 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT. This has the dynamic pressure turbo option, the 2.5 liter with the turbocharged engine from the CX-9. You're looking at 250 horsepower, all-wheel drive, nice redesigned alloy wheels, LED lighting all the way around, black leather seating, tons of changes. Let's check them out. You're equipped with advanced keyless entry right on the exterior. You just hit that button and everything unlocks for you. You're equipped with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, of course. Power folding mirrors, brand new for the 2019. Power adjustable driver and passenger seats. Lumbar support. 2 different settings for the memory seat. Down on the left here, you've got controls for your power liftgate, traction control toggle. You've got your lane departure warning, volume, and Bluetooth controls on the left of the steering wheel. On the right is your Mazda radar cruise control. Gauge cluster is very nice and clean. Up top you've got the active driving display that projects to the windshield. It's push button start. Got brand new wood trim. Looking very lovely. The Mazda infotainment screen, brand new to 2019 as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come from the factory. Installed, ready to go. Down here you've got dual zone climate control, heated front seats, ventilated front seats, brand new for the 2019 year. Got some cargo space, a 12-volt outlet, got the automatic transmission, of course, sport mode, and your Mazda HMI commander, which makes controlling the infotainment screen a breeze. You've got electronic parking brake and the auto hold function. In here is cargo space, sliding and removable tray. You've got the top USB port for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You've got a secondary USB port there as well, and a charging port. You've got a power sliding moonroof. Beautiful, beautiful interior. You're also equipped with a BOSE stereo speaker system. And you've got a reverse camera equipped as well. The GT is also equipped with all the i-ACTIV safety sense features. You've got distance recognition support, smart city brake and smart brake support, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and lane departure warning. You've got redesigned 19-inch metallic alloy wheels in silver. Very, very nice. This is the Soul Red metallic color. Got the LED taillights, all-wheel drive. There's the SkyActiv technology badge. You've got a power lift gate equipped as well. And you've got a 40-20-40 split for the rear seats. You can fold that centerpiece down, get some long objects in there. You don't have to sacrifice any of the passengers in the back. Rear passengers have that nice metallic and wood trim in the back, the piano black as well. Power windows, very nice leather interior, nice black carpeting. You've got adjustable vents, and you're also equipped with a fold down center armrest. You got your cup holders, you have additional cargo space, you've got 2 USB ports for charging, and then you've got your heated rear seats as well. And there you have it, the 2019 Mazda CX-5. Again, this is the GT trim, and it's available at Park Mazda in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can book your test drive online by going to parkmazda.ca, fill out the test drive form, come on down and take any of our Mazdas, including this 2019 CX-5, out for a spin, and we'll set you up with a $25 Visa gift card. So thank you very much for watching this video. It has been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope to see you very soon.